The second phase of COP15 is going to kick off on December 7th in Montreal, Canada, focusing on the post-2020 global biodiversity framework. However, very few people have any idea what exactly COP15 is, or COP14 or COP27 that just took place a few weeks ago. First things first, COP is short for Conference of the Parties. It's the supreme governing body of an international convention. The number here represents the number of gatherings, and there are close to 20 conventions with a COP. It can be really confusing when you only say COP14 or COP15 because each convention has its own COP 1, 2, and 3. So it would be helpful if you tacked on the name of the convention or its acronym. Here are some examples. There is the Ramsar Convention, aka the Convention on Wetlands, whose meetings happen every 3 years. It's named after the Iranian city of Ramsar, where the convention was signed in 1971. The 14th meeting of the Convention of Wetlands took place in November in Wuhan, China's international wetland city. Then there are the United Nations climate change conferences that happen every year in the context of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Its 27th meeting recently took place in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. There is also the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, whose inaugural meeting was in Rome in 1997. It was an annual meeting until 2001, then it became biannual in 2003. The 15th meeting, UNCCD COP15, was held in May in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. The upcoming COP conference in Montreal will be the 15th meeting of the Convention on Biological Diversity. The first phase took place in October 2021 in Kunming, China's spring city, with the biodiversity theme of ecological civilization, building a shared future for all life on Earth. The second phase will outline what countries need to do individually and collectively over the next decades and beyond to set humanity on course for achieving the CBD's overall vision of living in harmony with nature by 2050. Thanks for watching. I hope I made the COP terms a lot easier to understand.